Dear friends, welcome to Weekly View on Markets. This week, markets traded with a overhang of tensions between India and Pakistan. Fear index, that is India VIX, has gone up by more than 18% during this week. All indices were down by 1.5 to 2%. Ceasefire announcement at the weekend is expected to give a boost to the markets in the coming week. We can expect a sharp rally in the markets. There is a talk of end to the Russia Ukraine conflict. Some meetings are to be held in the next week. Most of the hurdles like US trade tariffs was between India, Ukraine, and India, Pakistan, Israel, and Hamas all are getting clearer. And with all these things, market should take a decisive uptrend in the coming weeks. It is good time for investors to invest. However, Q4 results will drive stock specific actions. Investors can look forward for bulls returning to the markets in coming weeks. So now let us look at performance of indices. Nifty closed at 24,008 with a cut of 338 points, that is loss of 1.39%. Bank Nifty, mid cap index and small cap index all lost between 1 to 2%. The fear index, that is India VIX, has gone up by 18.46%. India VIX is at a high level of 21.63, and most of the action has happened on Friday, that is at the weekend, due to the rising India and Pakistan war-like situation, rising tensions. However, a ceasefire announcement has come on Saturday. This is going to calm down the markets, and we can expect a sharp rally on Monday and in the coming week. Now, let us look at performance of different sectors. Auto sector gained about 1.53, media gained about 1.30. Most of the sectors lost during this week. Realty sector lost 6.56%. PSU banks lost about 4.39%. Public sector companies lost about 2.58%. Pharma sector lost about 2.57%. NBFCs lost about 2.48%. Energy, commodities, oil and gas, private banks, healthcare, and all other sectors lost between 1 to 2%. So most of the sectors have lost during the week, and there was a lot of fear at the weekend. Now let us look at technical charts. This is a daily chart of Nifty. Nifty has closed below the crucial level of 24,500, and but good thing is that it has closed above 24,000 level. So 24,000 levels seems to be a good support, and Nifty has strong resistance at around 25,000. And if Nifty closes above 25,000 in the coming week, we can see further sharp rally in the Nifty. This is the chart of Nifty Mid Cap Index. Mid Cap Index has good support at around 51,000, and there is a resistance at around 54,800. Nifty Mid Cap Index has to cross this, then we will see further up move in the coming week. As we have discussed, due to the positive sentiment in the market, we might see a rally beyond this crucial resistance level by Nifty Mid Cap Index. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index has support at around 15,000 level, and it has a major resistance at around 17,300 levels. If small cap index crosses this resistance level of 17,300, we will see a further rally going to the previous highs. This is a chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty has good support at 52,000, and it has a strong resistance at around 56,000. Bank Nifty can go towards 56,000 levels in the coming week, and it may touch the previous high again. Now let us look at some of the fundamental factors of the market. Indian macroeconomic parameters continue to remain strong. RBI forex reserves is at 686 billions. Foreign exchange rate is at 85.37 rupees per dollar. Dollar index is at 100.42. Brent crude price is at 63.88 per dollar per barrel. Gold price is at 96.535 for 10 grams 24 carat. FIIs have bought 5,087 crore during this week, and DII have bought 10,450 crore in equity during this week. Both FII and DII buying in Indian markets is likely to continue. That will give a good support to the markets. Services PMI index for the month of April 25 has come at 58.7. This shows that the service sector is growing very well in India. So this is good for the markets. Market is expected to see a sharp jump in view of the ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan on Saturday. So we can expect good time returning to the markets as global geopolitical situation is easing. Trump tariff war is also slowly waning off, and different countries are negotiating a settlement. Ukraine and Russian conflict is also likely to end as peace talks are expected to start next week. So India-Pakistan conflict has also seen a ceasefire agreement. With all these, good times are going to be there in the markets. Q4 results will have stock-specific impact. So investors are advised to remain invested. Definitely, they will see good times in coming months. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can ask your questions. You can refer to your friends. We will meet again next week. Thank you.